Guys, welcome to my channel. I am trying a new angle with my thingy. I have my light over there. Sorry, my chair is not very thin, it's quaking a lot. So welcome to my channel. The first thing we're doing today is picking the person that won my 500, because I had reached 500 subscribers. I do write all the name of the person that comment in that video in here. I'm just gonna shuffle it the best I can, and I'm just gonna pick the first person on top. I'm trying to make it as fair as possible. So I'm trying to get some in the middle, some in the bottom, some in the top. Trying to make it as fair as possible. So the person on the top is actually Mom Talks and Budget. Shy win my giveaway. As you guys know, I love Shy. So Shy, you did win my $500 giveaways. I do that to Cash App. So just email me. I'll be leaving my email in this video so that you can email me your Cash App and stuff. So that is awesome. So Shy did win my giveaway. Finally was able to get to that. So guys, what I'm doing today is as I was telling you guys, this is pop money. So we're gonna change the money in my envelope with pop money so that I can put the money into the bank. And then we can talk about the bill part, the fun part. So all those are with money, and we're gonna replace them with pop money. So this is my receipt. I'm not gonna lie, I'm terrible at doing, what is it called, fetch. I was doing well, and then for some reason, I don't know if I got busy, and then I'm doing not so good. So we have $7 because my Amazon Prime is $7 for the month. So we're gonna put this one here, and we're gonna replace with pop money because that one is due next month. So 7, and then you guys know the pop money because I never have nice bill like that from the bank. I will see you guys get like really nice bills from the bank, not me. So now you have $7 in pop money in here, which will make it so much easy to be able to have that money in the bank and pay that, and then take out the pop money once I pay that bill. So I don't have much money sitting there. I already have a lot of money in my sinking fund. I don't want to have money in my bills envelope too. So phone have 0 in there, and car have 50, 50, 70, 90. Let's do this. We're gonna do this 50, and then we're gonna take off 50. Those are very tough to take, guys. So 50, then we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. So let's just do this. 100, 20, 40, 60, 80. So we're gonna do, let's do 50, 50, 80, 70, 80. Then we have $8. So we're gonna do those money are crispy, guys, the pop money. So 5, 7, 6, 7, 8. So that would go in car payment. Right now my car payment is really weird because, guys, I just got it with finance, so I have to do the paperwork, so it's really weird right now. So I can't even tell you what the bill is gonna be right now, because I think I still have to pay the regular where I finance it at first until it change over. So you guys know I paid, it's $188 bi-weekly. So yeah. So this is gonna go toward my toilet bills. I mean car, sorry. So this is a really bad chair. That's quick a lot. We have 60 in HOA, so we can do, let's do 50 and a 10 to represent 60 in HOA. Then we have mortgage, which should have 9. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, which is all part money already. So actually we are good in here. This one is already part money, I believe. Yeah. But let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I did add another 100 to make it 9 because my rent is 1,800, so it could be 9 even. Half. Electronic. I have one more envelope. I don't know where it is. My subscription. So I probably have to do that off camera. But yeah. So we have 100, 150 for gas. So we're gonna do 150 for gas. I mean electric. Yeah, I'm missing. I'm so sorry. This chair is bugging me. I am missing my subscription, so I'm gonna have to do that. I think it's about $156. I'll be doing that off camera, guys, because I honestly do not know where it is. But let's talk bills real quick, because I will be having to staff them. I just realized that I could do both right now instead of doing them separately. As I was changing the pop, I could have staffed them, but we'll see. So mortgage, guys, as I had, you guys just saw, there's 900 in here, and it's 1,800, so we need $900. So $900 divided by 2 is $450. So $450 we're gonna need. Car payment, guys, we do have, how much I said there was in there? Sorry, guys. Car payment, so sorry, I forgot how much I said that was in here. Sorry, guys, I'm using the wipe right now to get my hand wet, because that's the only way I can touch that money. So you have 100, 50, 220, 30, 38. So we have 238 right there. 50, 20, yeah, 38. So 238, and we need so let's see, 188 times 2, we need 376. We have 236, so minus 236 we have in here, so we need 140. So 140 divided by 2, we put in 70 in here. So 70. Storage, which was in my other envelope, guys, we do have 40 in there, and it's 60, so we're missing $20. But I'm just gonna, this doing like 2 days, I'm just gonna pay $60. So the $20 I'm gonna put when I do this cash staffing, it's just gonna go to toward April instead of March. Acorn, I did just pay one of my kids' Acorn account, so I need $25 for the other. And then electric, we always put 50 because we don't know the bill yet. Firm, I do have 2. One of them is 60, the other one is 70. So 60 plus 70, 130 divided by 2. We need 65 for them. New Mexico temp, which is for my kids, we're gonna put 30 because we already pay for one, so we have to pay for the other. My phone bill, guys. It used to be $192, but I just paid almost $400 because one of my phone that I was paying for was due for me to pay the whole amount. So now it's gonna be 156. So I just want it up to 160. Sorry. 160 divided by 2, we need $80. But my subscription is paid for March, guys, because last time I was doing this right here, I did pay all of them for March, but I'm just gonna pay for April so I can be a month ahead of my subscription. So we have, first we have Google storage, which is $3.22, but it's cool. I can make the, because Walmart is $12.99, so we're gonna say 14 here, so we can make the difference for that Google storage. And actually I'm adding $2 more for Google storage because I did increase that for more storage in my phone. Acorn, $5 for investment. They make you pay $5 to use the Acorn app to invest. Stash also, they make me pay $3 to invest right there. Let's see. We have Netflix, which is $9.70. We're just gonna say $10. And then we have Disney, which is $12.95. We're gonna say $13. And then we have let's see, I think that is it. Netflix, Disney, because with Disney Plus we have Disney, Hulu, and ESPN, I believe is a bundle. I feel like I believe this is all for a subscription, but I did sign for a new one, which is about $15 to get books for my kids so they can have books for learning. Actually I haven't signed it for yet, and so we're gonna do 65. I still have to sign up for the YMCA, guys, and I haven't done that, so I think I'm gonna do that with my taxes. So I should be budgeting my tax return with you guys soon, because it's supposed to be deposited into my account by the 24th, which is by Black Friday the latest. I should have my federal tax return, so I need to budget that with you guys. So let's see how much we're gonna put toward bills this week. We have 50 plus 20 plus 25 plus 50 plus 65 plus 30 plus 80 plus 65. So the total is $785. It should be like that. It should be similar to every month, guys. So I do have internet, insurance, and stuff, and other stuff that I don't pay for. My husband do. And honestly, I was supposed to pay mortgage. It was my turn, but he paid mortgage for March, so I'm saving for April. So yeah, so this is for April. So technically, in a lot of our bill, we are a month ahead, which is nice. So I'm gonna track them by like the beginning of March to see what we pay over here, so I can mark them down to see what I pay, to see, and also to make sure I know those date, because a lot of those that say 2-1s, they really have a date, so I need to go back and see when they come out of my account to have a more specific date for my bills. So it was a short video today, guys. I wanted to pick up my winner, do my bills with you guys, and also change my bills with pop money, because yeah, I'm trying to have less money in the house as possible, guys. So because a lot of my sinking fund do have regular money and it's a lot, so I'm trying to reduce you know, the amount of cash that I do have in the house, guys. And that's what I was talking about, guys. I had ordered them clearly. They were supposed to be the mini one, but they come out A5. But I did get A5 envelope for my 10, which should be coming tomorrow, actually, for my challenge. So I just didn't return them and keep them so I can put my challenge in here, because I'm gonna have A5 envelope soon. But yeah, it was supposed to be the smaller one, the A6. So it is ridiculous. So my tax return, the amount I'm getting, which is including my state, is $22,000, and $2,000 of that is already in my buffer, which I left. And guys, I totally forgot to explain how much I got paid for my bill, to cash my bills. So the amount that I got paid for this week was, I got paid $12.50 from one of my job. The other I got paid $4.25. That's my part-time job. So in total, and I had $8.25 in my buffer. So, and then I had So I have two different accounts. This one is in US Bank, and this paycheck go to my Bank of America. So this buffer is in US Bank, and I have 565, sorry, my handwriting sucks, in Bank of America. That's just my buffer. I do have a saving in both of those bank also, and I have my other saving, which sitting at the bigger amount in Marcus Golden Stock, Marcus Golden Stock, yeah. So total in all my account for me to, when I budget my bills, was $12.50 plus $4.25 plus $8.25 plus $5.65. We had a total of $3,065. And then so how much our bill was? So minus that, $785. So she'll have minus 65 minus 785. So we should have a total of that left. And the good thing is, guys, I got an extra $300. My job just give me $300 for doing a good job. So that's gonna go in the next paycheck because I had already sent the invoice for that one, so it was too late. So that is all, guys. So that's what we have left in total in all the account. So yeah, for buffer, that's my buffer. Okay, well, so guys, that's basically it. I forgot to do this part. So thank you guys for joining me again, and congratulations to Shy for winning my giveaway. And yeah, email me. I will leave my email in the description. Okay, bye.